Today on How We Did It, I gotta figure out how to fix this fence that the wind blew down. As you can see, the post broke off right at the ground. So instead of replacing the fence posts and only having them rot off again, I found these things at our local big box store. You hammer them down into the ground and then screw the post to it, as you can see right on here. And also this one. I'm going to try them out. These are the screws that I decided to pick out. And as you can see, they came with their own bit because they are Torx head screws. Hopefully these are going to work. So we're going to set this down in the ground here and pound it in with the hammer. That ought to be good enough. Okay, so I attempted to pull the fence up by myself, but I can't do it. It's too much weight. So I'm going to use a little bit heavier equipment. I'm going to use the winch on my four-wheeler, or ATV, to pull the fence back up to where it needs to be. So we got it hooked up. Let's see if we can pull it. Well, there's one section. Time to screw it.
Let's hope it doesn't fall.
Oh, I forgot to change the bit.
Go.
Oops. Don't break my tip off. Okay, well, let's see if that's gonna hold it. Oh, I definitely gotta put more in. How in the world my cable get under there? You can pause it. And this is from the perspective of my four-wheeler.